Assembly concept. I'm said the assembly members also at fault. The regional minister, one home body, PFS will commit tension down. I'm telling you, severally the man have come there.
Okay.
Men can't calculate. The man have even called.
Okay.
The MC, the confidence come and sit down and discuss.
Okay.
What to the night abaho men calculate 5 times.
All right.
It's poor.
Okay.
The minister can't say my area. Who can expose the minister? Or can say area? Or can say my area? Say on what area and can vote of no confidence. On what? Oh, can I? On what you catch it? Say, I'm a kohene. Okay, so
the last
is doing his best.
Yeah, that's it.
The best in the vote of no confidence. Best. The best in any vote of no confidence. But one can say, but it's the president of the region, what I say. And the regional minister will not condone any galamsey. I was Shanti region. So we need to catch you. You never support. So be a galamsey. No more than that. I wash.
Yeah, we have to be.
The regional minister, Frank Omakohene, will never support galamsey. Oh my way.
On can't support. Or say a coso.
Sir, a
coordinator.
There be a coso. Say no otiho. And why she hands on Munye. And I make a check say it is never.
It is just a galamseng in the
security couples. It took a journalist, even a TikToker, to go and expose it. This is the Minerals Commission Act. Fanuko Ora, you be at
Ebini.
And I Fanuko
Ebina more TikToker.
Wait. Say,
say,
now what I the MP, he came and apologized to the MP. And I'm a boy. He came in recently. Nana himano to apamo ebi no so so. Oh boy, ya jai sam. Debi nana himano so so Yan ko economy no.
Anyway.
Mischief.
Anyway.
Debi a small can miss up. Money who say you me mentia.
The facts are there.
You see, ukasem say NDC ya galamsi ya. And ya hard you know. There's no MMDC, MC under Frank Amakohene's watch. To be doing galamsey. Mama ya tiasie. Na go ahead. You go home.
Okay.
Economy.
Media budget review.
Wow, say I think 2 days today. That's Thursday. And the workaholic. Obi a woti economy nase. Ede yakon mesika. Kakra na aka no obe pensem mu yakase media review budget it is a budget as a whole na wo ho it the obeye ne say wo be bie mu a kire po yandom any tum
yem frame yandom wo yando for yandom yeah for yandom
tum obe budget na kasa wo ho. So what you do is that one, as a mid-year review budget, actually, say this allocation here they call Ministry of Education, Sika we say, they call Ministry of Transport, Sika we say, they call multimedia, Sika we say, they call her Sika we say. Now we, I am fat one me.
Yeah, you.
I'm fat one me.
Miss me church.
Now we are the. I say it be so no, it be a so. The say ye ni year no parliament better na say ama ya pensem mu say ye no kura na say ye no kure. So ye ka say mid-year review budget ye ba ko pensem budget nanka the mother budget nanka sanka se mu. And a finance minister ye say president neko ba or the finance minister ne sin na name e de call parliament on kom pensem budget ni mu en kire Ghana for. And in fact budget na finance minister be pensem mu no have shown us the reality of the economy for the past 16 months. And I was so happy about this particular budget. When you can kind of true. And yeah, corner rough. My own budget be say that the budget was not full of Quran, neither full of Bible. But it is the reality of Ghanaians. Nanka budget be a budget be a at the fita Nhyira kwana ne wum. Former about 3 years ago and 2 years ago. Budget be a de breye biano you could see a gargantuan name in Kosovo budget. Nyame na aye budget. Nyame beye budget. We den kura be shimo budget. So what in now Ghana? By Kenoforiata, father of one we Johnny Agui. Listen to all the budget that Kenoforiata they buy. A big name, but the budget like I say, but this budget have shown us the reality of the economy in this country. Look at how the economic indicators were performing too. Under the NPP era, Ghana, Fish, Moody, rated Ghana as a junk status. So okay, you can say economy near junk out there. Just a baller where them could ye atitia pansa. And that you can say they have ranked us as B. It's poor. A small girl who goes to no B. Why are they poor? Bet ma to catch no. But onya janka. Poor bet canamba pa. Until I can afford Tekufadumba. So the economy called junk status. And that you can say another Ekufadu era. Make us about budget no. The budget na make us no too. Under Ekufado era, led by Ekufado and Dr. Mahmoud Baomi and Kenoforiata, at the year inflation crack over 52%. Omuye ala na lasula la sana de baba 23%. And that you can say, team na your economic management team no omunye Valanda boys, but they are men that understand the economy. At me the year inflation is the kwaba single digit inflation. Where any Jumakesiana can atu force na haye. This is a big work and on my under the NPP era, unemployment rate was about 16.something%. And now you can say unemployment rate is about 11.something%. Such a beautiful budget. Uko Juma, many report me koto odo hayase. Tete no. Eti me koto prekonjeri the bread chairman. 1 kilo na ne board din. Na say ya me hu power banti majum. No to angwa ku 4 gallon no. I say about 800 Ghana cedi. I say 400 Ghana cedi. 600 Ghana cedi. But Paul 2 years ago, 1 year ago, no to angwa ku 4 gallon no, about 1,500 good Ghana cedi. Look at what Ato Forcing have helped Ghana to. Tete no, ana Ekufado era. Unilever mo na ejuma mu free foreigner for ejuma ni na they were folding up from this country all because na exchange rate no boy den. Me bo arachum. Dollar na timi ko about 19 good Ghana cedi. Uko Bukari wa Alaba na about 20 something good Ghana cedi. And now you can see dollar you saying above form aye kama. What in the history of this country say automobile association for akase or mateti or monuama so say huda aye only Ato Forcing our name economy nimu etimi ma automobile association of Ghana for etimi ti omo car so about 50 good percent we open we are there now say baby omchum I get it omo no mo kire your economic indicators o ba omia me yet ase say if your if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. It's in an upper way. Me person me do obeko baby ah 10. I am basically basing on the economic indicators. About me yet ase bro for kesi any lectures I can see and Mahmudu I dey bet Ghana for at the end of the day the digital gate and exposing big time. The economy is getting to a place where Ghanaians are happy of. Reset agenda na ye kan wasem have translated in the budget. Look at the allocations. Adebako ye me de when this are buying we no say chum. Government na spending basa. To say betima ko Israel akoto abuo efri Yesu krom say the foundation stone esi cathedral no. E bin say da when this abreso. Chum me boa. What be that? To say kobrani betima tena ne demu. Yesi yade ko di ro COVID-19 abedo kroye. Koto vaccine breya okoye no o ma yakobu uwi abe kachere ajiba be no abe kachere say na wenim na hu ade ye na ye bu fa so what be say when this abre so da what be say ko brani oba besia betima tena ne dam e de jomfo ba e din atoto NSS payroll so 715 ayaya man kwala o free university no na oba besia tena demu e de school for dwonfo ba edi asese so say at the end of the month omonye salary what be an NDC government da the NDC government is not spending recklessly. That is why they are telling us that we are not spending. So we should be spending. If us can go on basa and no pay. That is the distinction between the NDC and the MPP. That's a very wide distinction. The NDC government think about Ghanaians. Look at the amount of money I got for World Bank and they investing in second cycle education. What it? Now saying it was social media saying complaining of eduani same school. What it be that? What it be? Omo buy they cap NHIS. NDC buy we are uncap it. Under the Kufuor era of government ruling, they took our debt stock to about 800 and something billion. And then I can say, at all force within 17 months have reduced our debt stock up to 600 and something billion. All because of a good body ENT. Secondly, omo legacy debts are a energy sector. Na yesi kaketwa otum sa onimpa. Na yesi kaketwa. Document na Paul say obeya PPA chire. The kind of bosia sikatitiri di omudi gu Ghana for so energy sector. Wa unie. One for Kappa wamba, one for Mariamba, one for Amanda ba. One adding nothing to our energy sector or Ghana. But you came and give us debt. The IPP were threatened, said they will shut down all the plants. For 1 month now. Look at how our power sector have been stable. Anya ofanachu. Umpe we are there now was a pedium. Look at how the economy is so attractive in this country. Look at how the economy is so attractive. Look at how look at how they destroy cocoa board. Look at how they destroy it. Me no we bet me port here. Me juice sack. Over millions of container go port. Because Kobrani person tinani demo no your procurement. They are buying things that are unnecessary. Look at the money they were investing say omo cocoa roads. Up to now you can see most cocoa roads are in deplorable states. The NDC came and says Debbie, we need to make sure say the balance sheet of cocoa board are cro. Look at the work Granny Abe is doing. Look at how internationally people are seeing Ghana. The budget is a budget of hope. Budget way have really shown us the reality of this economy, and it's reflected in the people's pockets.
Really?
Perfectly. Me say, minimi bra Paul Yandom. Esha obantima jomu here. Risk cause here. Paul, sika Paul timidi to adie and the Kufuor era. Onyashi we ne blame ye kasi. Paul timidi 100 cedi ko jom. Etimi ko to do ayase. Pre ko ntwade. Banche. Bodie. Kubi. What you say? Kako 100 cedi o timidi dwema Paul Yandom. The budget is a budget of hope, and it have translated in the people's pockets.
Okay.
Look at the money we allocated to even low fee stress. Naka by this time, I'm for the how we go poso. Say the bido, Paul me school fees so. Bisa Paul Yandom mami say, and that you can say first year students burn a wheelchair school fees among. John Domani Mahama have taken care of them. Not even that. Uko Ghana Scholar Secretariat. The government have allocated money. Our mode in Kola, local scholarship, Obiaji local scholarship led by Honorable Kokwasa Fuji. Fantastic man.
All right.
It is allocation have met its purpose.
Okay.
Mr. Paul on the cash.
Paul. Paul, yeah, quite. I'm saying,